going on, guys? Coming back with another exhaust video on the Trailboss. So you probably saw the other video where we did the muffler delete on it, and it sounds really good, nice mature exhaust note that I'm sure a lot of y'all think is literally perfect, but personally it's just not loud enough. I like my trucks, cars, everything really loud. It's just how I get the most enjoyment out of them. So we're going to be headed back to the exhaust shop, or actually to the exhaust shop for the first time, because the muffler delete we did on there was just a cut and bolt on thing. But we're going to be replacing those resonators, one on each side, with some exhaust pipe. And I know a lot of trucks don't actually come with the resonators. I don't know if it's specific to the 6.2 or the 2021 Trailboss. This one has them, obviously, and I know they're holding in a decent amount of sound. And we're gonna be swapping out the exhaust tips for something a lot more unique looking, and hopefully it's gonna amplify the sound, because exhaust tips do make a big difference. I got these bad boys off of Amazon. Boom! We're gonna be doing the quad tips. They're 3 or 3.5 inch. I'm really excited for this. I think they're gonna look sick. Hopefully we can get them to sit perfect. I don't really want them to stick out past the bumper. They could be perfectly flush, a little bit more out than this one. My only concern is the length of them. If you look right there at the bend, it goes underneath the frame right there. I'm hoping they're not too long and cause us issues where we can't bend the pipe under there, because I obviously want them to sit, you know, flat and not sticking out too far. But I know this is going to make a big difference and actually have some echoing effect. Tonight we're going to be pulling the factory tips off. I'll show you all how to do that if you want to do it yourself. And then in the morning we're headed to get these babies welded in, resonators taken off, and hopefully the 6.2 is going to be a lot louder. Just got the factory exhaust tips off. Going to show you all really quick for anyone that maybe wants to replace your tips or just take these off and paint them, do the whole blackout thing. There is 3 bolts on each tip, and these 2 are absolute nightmares. This one's easy to get to, but these 2 are facing straight down, and it is super tight. There's how the pipe is. It's just dumped in the back. These things just have these big openings right here. If you crawl under here, you're basically gonna have to just shove your arm in through here. And as you can see, mine's all scratched up and crap. Just gonna have to just ratchet it like crazy a bazillion times to get it out. Semi-cold start, no exhaust tips, air conditioner running on the house. Yeah, I would say it actually does make a little bit of a difference. Dude, that's... you can actually hear the difference. That's funny. I'm excited for the new exhaust tips, so I'll catch you with y'all in the morning. Getting the Trailboss pulled in for Chase Automotive. Got one tip on there. We gotta just finalize it, get it straight as can be, but come together. Didn't get y'all cold start and stuff. I had to hop in there because he was dirty, but it's so much better. I'm gonna get y'all a cold start and revs and everything, but right now we're about to rip it a little bit, you know. We're about to go in. It's so much better, genuinely. It looks freaking sick. We'll see how long we keep it like this. When your exhaust is pointed straight out the back, it can definitely fool you on how loud it actually is, because you don't necessarily hear it as much in the cab. Kind of like my old Corvette, it was ridiculously loud, but the way the exhaust was out the middle, out the back, couldn't really tell. Oh yeah, definitely. I'm ready to get under. Oh, we're not gonna get on the bridge, but we are gonna merge on the interstate. So I'll catch up with y'all there. Yes, so much better. He caught me off guard. I wasn't filming. He cranked it up and gave it a little couple little revs, dramatically louder than it was. So I'm freaking stoked. I'm excited because I know it's going to be much better. drivers got to enjoy about a month of normal quiet truck. I think that's fair enough. Still, which is because these things are so well sound deadened, and the exhaust pipes are sticking straight out the back rather than projecting off the ground or out to the side or anything. Cold starts are not like baby squat gnarly, but they are very punchy. Right when it cranks, it hits pretty hard. And we did have to neck down a little bit on the piping because they didn't have 3.5-inch piping. So I think that might also have something to do with how hard it hits right when it cranks, because it just boom, forces all that air through there and the sound. It's not anything that's going to hurt the performance, I don't think, because it had a big baffled muffler on there. So far, aside from when I'm romping on it, MPGs have been the same. They actually seem to have been about 1 mile per gallon better. The drone that I mentioned previously with just the muffler delete and the stock tips is now gone, because we tested the stop start in the last one. Let's just test it. Let that guy creep by. It's good. I always have that turned off, and we're definitely going to turn off DFM whenever we can get a module to do that. They're currently out of stock, but we're working with them. I've told myself once again, I'm not touching the exhaust again until after we get wheels and tires on it. We're not putting wheels and tires on it until I can get it clear wrapped, which is April 1st. I know that's as soon as they could get me in to get the bottom of the doors and everything wrapped in clear bra, so we don't get any big rock chips. So that's what I'm waiting on, the wheels and tires, because I would have put them on day one had that not been an issue, but it is what it is. Definitely comment down below. Let me know what you think about the new exhaust. Rocking the quad tips and the resonator delete. So we're technically catback straight pipe right now. Not true duals, but catback straight pipe. That's essentially what we are. I think they came out pretty freaking good. Pretty inexpensive tips too. Got them on Amazon. I'll probably throw a link to them in the description if you want to check them out. Overall, 10 out of 10 improvement. Sound, look, everything. I really enjoy it. So if you're still here, we're gonna have a little bit more of this video because we're gonna kick the horse trailer and the other trailer out and get Larry and Earl in there for a couple of different reasons. But the number one is, yo, the birds be disrespecting people out here. Like, Earl, you was clean when I left you here last, and now you are just, what? Dude, that is just, we're gonna have to pressure wash this thing too. That's just not right. We can't be doing Earl like that. First time ever towing, hooking anything up to the Trailboss. Here is the beauty of modern camera system. First time ever backing up to something. Let's see. Oh gosh, this is a little scary. Oh, okay. We're gonna get this. I don't know if we're above it. We're gonna hit it. Okay. Oh, she ain't squatted at all. It ain't nothing but a little horse trailer anyways. Let's go ahead and give Earl a quick wash before we put it up. All right, Earl, you're looking a lot better now. So we're just gonna go ahead and stick Earl in the basement, and then let's go deal with Larry. One does not drive Larry without making noise. Oh, Larry, I love you. I'm ready to get these friggin' tractor tires off of here, though. You wanna hear freaking loud? Let's get an outside perspective. If you've stuck around to the end of this video throughout all this stuff, you're the real OG. That's freaking sick. I really do appreciate all y'all that do watch all the videos, like, interact, and that kind of stuff. Super sick. So, yeah. We're going to be working back on Larry and Earl real soon. I just got to get all my ducks in a row. We're trying to get everything lined up. I'm real excited with the Trailboss, but we're having to kind of wait for a while due to having to get the clear wrap put on there, and it's just taking freaking forever. So, with that being said, it's all going to pan out. We're gonna get things really rolling, and it's going to look freaking sick. And then we're going to get Larry all fixed up, roadworthy again, and do a lot of fun content with it. So anyways, hopefully y'all did enjoy. I'll see y'all in the next one.